Close open method of finger multiplication. Hello, mommies and daddies. Sensei Grandpa welcomes you back. In our last video, we aimed to learn and master the 10 by 10 multiplication table without memorizing any one, but to focus only to 10 multiplication facts. These are the 10 that we said that we have to focus learning so we can master the table. Take note that these 10 plus 6 others make up the upper part of 4 tables, namely table 6, table 7, table 8, and table 9. That's the upper part. In this video, we will be learning as to how to understand and know these multiplication facts by using our so-called closed open finger multiplication. Let us begin. We have 10 fingers in 2 hands. We start by closing it, and we designate and denote specific numbers corresponding to each of these 10 fingers, multiplying one number to another. This will be our 6, and this will be our 7, this will be our 8, this will be our 9, this will be our 10. Likewise, on the right hand side, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If we open all 5 fingers, we have 10. If we say 7, we show 2 fingers, the pinky and the ring finger. If we say 8, that includes the middle finger. If we say 9, that includes the index finger. So, close, open, close, open. That is the method we will use. Now, after familiarizing the assignment of each finger, let us start. Here we have 6 times 6. By memory, we know that it is 36. 7 times 7, that's 49. 8 times 8, 64. 9 times 9, 81. So, by memory, most of us, parents, already have memorized this. But for our children, no need for them to memorize, but learn the close open method. Now, this close open method can extend to 12 times 12, 25 times 25, up to 99 times 99. But for now, let's focus on 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me show you. If we say 6 times 6, we have our hands here, so we show 6 times 6. That's it. If we say 7 times 7, 7 times 7. 8 times 8. 9 times 9. Or any other combination among them. If we say 7 times 8, that's it. Or 8 times 7, or 8 times 9, or 8 times 6, whatever. Now, once we open the fingers, there is the answer. We immediately see the answer. How? Now, each open finger counts 10. The closed fingers will be assigned 1. Now, this will be multiplied and added to the 10s. Example, 7 times 7. So, 7 times 7. So, each one is 10. So, we have 40. Easy. 40. Then, 3 times 3, 9. So, we add 9 to 40 to make 49. As easy as that. 8 times 8. So, we see immediately 60. Then 2 times 2, 4. 64. 9 times 9, we see 80. Then 1 times 1 is 81. 7 times 8, 56. 9 times 7, 63. 8 times 9, 72. And on. 10 times 10, 100. As easy as that. Now, how about going beyond this table? If we enlarge the table to 12, to 15, 20, and even to 99, how? Using these fingers. Now, that will be the subject of our next video. Thank you.